What's up, guys? Welcome back to my devlog series where I'll be building a roleplay server from scratch. Now, the reason why I haven't released a devlog in some time is because I've been focusing on other videos on my channel lately. I've actually released a few filter scripts that I actually plan to put into Department of Justice roleplay. So basically, the first thing I want to show you today is the master account system. As you can see, my name is Player. So basically, you'll be able to log in and make an account like with any name you want, sort of thing. And then obviously, so you'll register. This is what happens when you register. So I'm registering as Player. So what I'll do is I'll register, and then what happens is that it brings up a character selection menu. So basically, I can't click load account because I don't have any characters created yet. But practically, normal players can create up to two characters, and VIPs can create up to 3 or 5, I believe. So if you become a VIP on your Player account, all your characters will have VIP. So you don't have to buy VIP for each individual character. But what I'll do is I'll create a character, and basically, well, all you got to do is you got to type in a first name and last name, which is a roleplay format. So I'll go Nettie Smith, which is my roleplay name. So you have to put the underscore there, or it won't work. So I'll show you. If I go like this, it will tell you that you have to have an underscore there. So I'll go Nettie. All right. So, and then what happens is when you create a life, pretty much, or a character, you'll spawn at the airport and be prompted to select a skin. So now I'll select a skin. So what I'll do is I'll relog and I'll show you what it's like loading characters. Alright, guys, so I've logged back in. So pretty much what I'll do is I'll log in. So once you log in, you'll actually be prompted to either create, load, or delete a character. So with delete characters, as you can see, you ignore the ID. That's just how the script can work out what character is which character. But pretty much you can delete characters and you can load characters. You can also create a character before you want. So pretty much every time you log in, you're prompted to select a character. So what I'll do is I'll load that character. And you'll notice that with this master account system, it's only name sort of thing. So as you can see, my name. As you can see, my name's been changed to Nettie Smith, and when I go stats, my AKA name will actually show there, so you'll know who's who pretty much, basically. And also it shows the join date and how many times you logged in. But what I wanted to say was pretty much the reason why I didn't add age and sex to the account system is pretty much because the way this server works is your skin will practically determine of what job you have. So it really wouldn't make sense if you choose a female gender and then you can only choose male paramedic skins or male police skins. You know what I mean? Because there is no female police skins. I believe there might be one or two, but there's no female paramedic skins, no female fire skins, no female worker skins. So I pretty much just removed the whole age and the sex out of the equation, just so it makes more sense. So pretty much you just got to have a role play name, and your skin will determine your job pretty much. Alright, so that's that done. The next thing I wanted to show you is a vehicle torching system. So what I'll do is I'll jump over there and I'll show you that. Alright guys, so the second addition I added is the ability to be able to torch vehicles. So pretty much you'll be able to run up to any vehicle you want, and if you've got jerry cans in your inventory, you'll be able to torch vehicles. So what I'll do is I'll type torch, and pretty much bang, that's what happens. You'll torch the vehicle, and within a couple of seconds it will actually blow up. So and like this is actually a really good thing. It might be a bit OP, so let me know in the comments if you think this is OP sort of thing. But this might be a good way to sort of eliminate the cops from being able to chase you. Say they jump out of their car, they run into the building, then you run out of the building just in time. You can sort of run up to their car and just torch it, sort of thing. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was just the other addition I thought was pretty cool. I actually seen someone else create this script. I'll show you up on screen now. But yeah, I got the ID from him. And pretty much, yeah, it is what it is. So torching vehicle system. I thought that might be just a little addition. So let me know if you like that or not, guys. But anyway, the second thing I wanted to show you is a cell phone system. So what I'll do is I'll jump over and show you that. Alright, so you might have noticed that I've released a cell phone system recently, and also a vending machine system. I'm going to show you that in a sec, but pretty much I made the cell phone system and the vending machine system to practically put into the Department of Justice roleplay, but I sort of turned them into an include and a filter script so I could release them to you guys beforehand, sort of thing. But I've actually modified the cell phone system from an include into a modularized system into the script. I've made a few changes to it as well, but pretty much, and I've also made it so there's now a cell phone item, and you can actually buy cell phones, and they actually go into your inventory. So you can actually you use the cell phone like that, or you can type /phone, but pretty much it's a contact and messaging system. I'll show you on screen now because I haven't got anyone in my contacts, but pretty much it's a contacts and messaging system. So you'll be able to add contacts, and if they add you as a contact as well, you'll be able to message them, and it's just a sort of a nice way to communicate through long distances, sort of thing, because I'm thinking about removing the global chat altogether. So let me know in the comments if I should remove that or not, or should I leave it. Just let me know in the comments. But I'm thinking this might replace the global chat system for long distance communication. But anyway, that's the phone system. The other thing I did is I made it so it's an item which can be dropped. So what I'll do is I'll drop it and I'll show you the actual item. So as you can see, the item is just the same as oh, I don't own a phone. Okay. Oh, I don't own a phone because I dropped it. So now I own a phone. So as you can see, what's going on there? The texture is not showing. Okay, so there's a texture here not showing. So I need to, maybe if I do it this way, maybe if I go like use, no, the texture is not showing, but there's a phone that shows here, the phone that with the phone object that I just dropped on the ground. But anyway, that's a little bug that I got to fix. But anyway, there's a cell phone system. That's the other thing I wanted to add. And the last thing I wanted to show you was a vending machine system. So pretty much you can create vending machines anywhere. There's usually a vending machine here, I believe, but I've removed the default vending machines within the script, so all the default ones are removed, and I've actually made it so you can create your own Sprunk machine system, so, or Sprunk vending machine. So I'll go create Sprunk, and what happens is you're asked which direction you want the vending machine to face. So in this case, I want it to face north, so I'll go Sprunk north, and bang, as you can see, there's your vending machine. It's created, and when you walk up to it, it goes through a two-step ×2 animation sequence. As you can see, that's 2 animations, and yeah. So and also made it, if you're on the side and then use it, it will put you in front properly, and that's 1 animation. That's the second animation. So yeah, that's a little vending machine system I thought I'd add, because now with the vending machine system, now it's actually hooked into the money system. So I've actually hooked get player money and give player money, so it actually works server side. So it's a server side anti-money cheat. That's a sort of a default thing you need to do for money in that. So now the vending machines actually work with the server side money system. I think if you didn't do it properly, if you didn't actually hook the give player money function, it would take the money and then give it back. It would reset it back to your old money, so you wouldn't be able to, it wouldn't take the money properly. But now it will. So that's pretty much what I wanted to showcase for this devlog video. If you haven't noticed, we're actually really close to actually releasing the server, actually getting it up and getting it up like so it can be tested publicly. But soon after that will be the actual release of the script. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing, because this is all I post, is sample related content. I release scripts, I make tutorials, I even release news related content, secrets, tips and all that sort of stuff. So hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one guys. Peace.